Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to animate a logo in After Effects. So first you need to go in this website, Inventor Elements. Okay, so in this website you have so much logo for After Effects. Like you if you need to download logos, you have a thousand logos. So I'm just show you that is the logo. So if you need to see, just okay, you see I don't okay, so you see you have so much logos in this website. Okay, and pretty music, with pretty music, so you can use these logos in After Effects. And I'm show you another website too. That is the motion array. Okay, that is the another like website. So if you need to like, okay, oh man, I don't hear more sound. It's copyrighted, I think. But you see, that is too much logos. You don't use musics, but you need to. If you need to use logos, then there is this too much logos for After Effects. You need to put these logos. You need to download and put them in After Effects. Like you need to download. You just click there. Okay. You also you have like a subscription for download, but I need to say you if you need that, then few logos are free. So if you need to create a logo in After Effects, so just go into these two website and man, create these logos. Okay, so that is the logos, and thanks for watching. Bye.